Early LeT camps in Afghanistan funded by bin Laden. Exclusive intel note on Jihad. Fact: Orion intelligence note revealing the notorious activities of Lashkar-Taiba LeT and Jaish-e-Mohammed and accessed by CNN News 18 shows that early camps of LeT in Afghanistan were funded by Osama bin Laden, and Muradka city continues to be a key location for coordinating regional terrorism. This area connects LeT to broader jihadist networks, including historical ties to Al-Qaeda. LeT operates multiple camps in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir (Pak), particularly near Muzaffarabad, to train militants for infiltration into Jammu and Kashmir. Top intelligence sources indicate that Muradka, located close to Lahore in Pakistan's Punjab province, serves as the headquarters of LeT. The group operates from Markaz Taiba, a complex that functions as a hub for indoctrination, recruitment, and military training. Muradka is LeT's primary infrastructure, housing offices, training facilities, ideological centers, and a command center. Historically, the Punjab provincial government has financed parts of this complex. The site is used to radicalize recruits by blending religious education with militant training. Despite being officially imprisoned, LeT's founder, Hafiz Saeed, has been frequently associated with activities at Muradka. LeT maintains a presence across Pakistan and Pak, utilizing both overt and covert networks. Besides Muradka, LeT operates major bases in Bahawalpur and Rawalkot, where training camps and logistical hubs are located. Following the 2003 India-Pakistan ceasefire, LeT shifted some operations to northwestern Pakistan, particularly near the Afghan border, to evade international scrutiny. Swipe left for next video. LeT maintains a political front called Jamaat-ud-Dawa, which runs charities, schools, and medical clinics in cities like Lahore and Karachi, masking militant activities under the guise of social welfare. In 2019, an offshoot called the Resistance Front (TRF) was formed. TRF conducts attacks in Kashmir while providing plausible deniability for Pakistan. Leaders like Sajid Jat and Salim Remani are directly linked to LeT. LeT militants frequently cross the line of control (LOC) from Pak into India, as evidenced by the 2025 Pahalgam attack, where gunmen targeted tourists after infiltrating from Pakistan. Despite being banned by the UN, US, EU, and India, LeT thrives with tacit support from Pakistan's military and intelligence agencies ISI. Even from custody, Hafiz Saeed continues to orchestrate operations with security provided by the ISI. Latest blogs.